Hello students, today I am explaining you coordinate geometry of 10th class. So I am explaining you now some formulas about the distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. Here the first formula, see, if O equal to 0, 0, this O is what? Origin. So this coordinates always 0, 0. And here one point is there, A equals to x, y. Then the distance between origin to point A, it means what? OA. OA is equals to under root of x square plus y square. X square plus y square. Or if we assume this point as x1, y1, then use OA is equals to under root of x1 square plus y1 square. And here the second formula. If A equals to x1 comma 0 and B equals to x2 comma 0. Here it means what? The y coordinates, this 0 and here also 0. The y coordinates are zeros, both are zeros. Then we use AB equals to, the distance between AB equals to mod x2 minus x1. Mod x2 minus x1. And the third formula, if A equals to x1 y1 and B equals to x2 y2, if y1 and y2, if y1 y2 values are same, if both are same, y1 and y2 values are same, then use the formula is AB equals to mod x2 minus x1. If y coordinates are equal, are zeros, or y coordinates are equal, then use the formula AB is equals to mod x2 minus x1. Now next formula, fourth formula, if A equals to 0 comma y1, B equals to 0 comma y2. If these x coordinates are zeros, if x coordinates are zeros, we can use the distance between AB is mod y2 minus y1. Y2 minus y1. And the fifth formula, if A equals to x1 y1, B equals to x2 y2, if x1 and x2 are equal, if coordinates x1, x2 are equal, then we can use the distance between AB is mod y2 minus y1. Mod y2 minus y1. And the last formula, sixth formula, if A equals to x1 y1, B equals to x2 y2, here this x1 coordinates are not equal and y1 coordinates are also not equal. When we have the different x1 y1 and x2 y2 values, then we can use the formula AB equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Based on that formulas, now I am going to do some problems. See, here I taken one question. First question, if O equals to 0 comma 0, A equals to 3 comma 4, A is equals to 3 comma 4, find the distance between OA. If O equal to 0 comma 0, A equals to 3 comma 4, find the distance between OA. Here what is O? O is a origin. So given that O is equals to, origin is equals to 0 comma 0 and A is equals to 3 comma 4. So use the formula OA is equals to under root of x square plus y square. what is the formula? Distance between origin to a point. A point is what? Any point, any one of the point. So the distance is under root of x square plus y square. Here take the x coordinates are x comma y. Now I am going to substitute in place of x is 3 and y is 4. So OA is equals to under root of x is what? 3 is 3 square plus y is what? 4, right? 4 square is equals to under root of 3 square is 9 and 4 square is a 16 is equals to 9 plus 16 is what? 25. OA is equals to root 25. Root 25 is what? 5. The square root 25 is 5. Therefore, the distance between OA is 5 unit. The distance between OA is what? 5 unit. Here we have one more question. That is second question. If A equals to 4, 0, B equals to 8, 0, find distance between AB. So let us solve this question. Solution. Given that A equals to 4, 0 and B equals to 8, 0. If we observe these points, we are having this y coordinates are zeros. These y coordinates are zeros. See, it is x1 and y is a 0. Here it is x2 and y is 0. This is y1 and it is y2. These y coordinates are 0. That's why I am using the formula AB is equals to mod x2 minus x1. The distance between AB is mod x2 minus x1 because y coordinates are zeros. So write AB is equals to mod x2 is what? 8 minus x1 is what? 4. So AB is equals to mod 8 minus 4 is what? 4. So AB is equals to mod 4, we can write 4 unit. Therefore, the distance between AB is equals to 4 units. Now we have one more question. Third question. If A equals to 8, 3, B equals to minus 4, 3, find distance between AB. See, given, write the points. Given that A is equals to 8, 3 and B point is what? Minus 4, 3. I wrote A and B points. And next we observe these points. So, these y coordinates are equal. x1, y1 and it can write x2, y2. If you observe it, here y1 and y2 values are equal, 3 and 3. That's why we can use the formula distance between AB is x2 mod x2 minus x1. Mod x2 minus x1 formula we can use. So write AB is equals to mod x2. What is x2? x2 is minus 4 and write formula minus and x1. x1 is what? 8. So AB is equals to mod minus 4 minus 8 is minus 12. So we can write now AB is equals to mod minus 12 is 12. 12 unit. Therefore, the distance between AB is 12 units. Now we have one more question. Fourth question. If A equals to 0, 4 and B equals to 0, 8, find the distance between AB. So, come on, we solve it. Given that A point is 0 comma 4 and B point is 0 comma 8. If we observe this A and B points, these x coordinates are zeros. So both are same. x1 is 0 and x2 is also 0. So I assumed x1 y1 and second point is x2 y2. If we observe this, x1 and x2 both are zeros. So that's why we can use a formula AB is equals to mod y2 minus y1. So AB is equals to mod y2. What is y2? y2 is a 8 minus y1. y1 is 4. AB is equals to mod 8 minus 4 is 4. So AB is equals to mod 4 is 4 unit. Therefore, the distance between AB is 4 units. Now we have one more question. That is the fifth question. Question is, if A equals to 3 comma 8 and B equals to 3 comma minus 4, find the distance between AB. Let us solve it. Given that A is equals to 3 comma 8 and B is equals to 3 comma minus 4. So let the first point coordinates are x1 y1 and the second point coordinates are x2 y2. If we observe these 2 points, this x1 and x2 values are same, 3 and 3. x1 and x2 values are same. That's why we can use the formula AB is equals to mod y2 minus y1. AB is equals to mod y2. y2 is what? Minus 4. The formula minus y1. y1 is 8. AB is equals to mod minus 4 minus 8 is minus 12. Therefore, AB is equals to mod minus 12 is 12 unit. The distance between AB is what? 12 units. Now we have one more question. That is the sixth question. If A equals to 4 comma 3 and B equals to 8 comma 6, find the distance between AB. Let us solve it. Given that A is equals to 4 comma 3 and B equals to 8 comma 6. Let us assume the first point coordinates are x1 y1 and the second point coordinates are x2 y2. Now observe whether x coordinates are equal or y coordinates are equal. If we observe the x coordinates, so these are not equal because it is 4 and that is 8. If we observe y coordinates, these are also not equal because it is 3 and that is a 6. These are the different coordinates. Then we can use the formula AB is equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. AB is equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now substitute x1, x2 and y1, y2 values. x2 is 8. This is formula minus, and x1 is 4 whole square, right, plus, and y2 is 6 minus, formula minus, and y1 is 3 whole square. AB is equals to under root of 8 minus 4 is 4 and square plus 6 minus 3 is 3 square. The AB is equals to under root of 4 square is 16 because 4 4 is 16 plus 3 square is 9. 3 3 is 9. And add now 16 and 9. If you add these two, we get 25. Now AB is equals to root 25 is a 5. Therefore, the distance between AB is 5 unit. The distance between AB is what? 5 unit. Now, I give you this type of problems in the description. You try to solve them. If you are not able to solution, you comment me. I will do them in the upcoming videos. Thank you.